Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another vlog. And today I am gonna tell you why. Why did I trade the city life for the mountain life? And all my secrets why I live in the mountains and building a life here. People think I moved to the mountains to escape life. I didn't. I moved here to finally build one. But let's talk about rent, bad Wi Fi, and why I'd still choose this over the city every time. So let's talk about the rent. I live in a one bedroom with washroom, and to know the rent you can DM me because there are a lot of options, and the rent here can cost you a cupboard in the cities, just a cupboard. But the trade-off is real. The view is priceless. So the winters add up more cost because of heaters, geysers, backup, and my electricity bill in the winters was about 2 to 3 thousand, and you still have to wear a lot of layers inside the room. It's a different kind of cheaper. It's a different kind of expensive. You pay in layers and not in traffic. Hello? 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 Can you hear me? The biggest lie, work from mountains. Your Zoom meetings will freeze, your internet will freeze, and sometimes nothing works here. No Geo, no Airtel, nothing. So, I have three sources of internet. Rain means Geo dies. Snow means everything dies. And I have a Geo hotspot, Airtel Wi-Fi with 100 Mbps data, out of which it just works half of it. And I have an Ethernet cable. So that's when I use it when I need it as per the weather, and I have to look up the weather every day. So, work from mountains. So, a bonus tip for anybody who's planning to move here to the mountains: don't forget, don't forget to bring a portable charger, and like don't ever trust the high-speed Wi-Fi in your property listing. And of course, plan your like staycation as per the weather. Monsoons and snow time, there is nothing. So no water, no Wi-Fi, nothing. You basically live with the nature. So let me tell you why mountains over city. City gave me anxiety and ambition. The mountains gave me anxiety and perspective. So it's quite different. I traded 2 hour commute to 2 hour walk. And nightlife is actual nights, sky, stars, silence. And my work has changed too. I have so much to do now, like creative and my work, and so many different things that I can do. So I didn't move for aesthetics. I moved because my nervous system couldn't do like one more honk, one more deadline, and one more email or Zoom meeting. So let me be honest. Amazon takes 10 days. There is no Swiggy, there is no Zomato, there is no Blinkit. Doctors are too far away. And in that times you become your own झाड़ू पोछा करने वाले, बर्तन धोने वाले, plumber, electrician. You learn all of this by yourself. And the last 6 months, I learned how to fix a toilet how to chop wood, how to plow the snow, and the hills might be capable. So if you need convenience, stay in the city. But if you need consequence, where every choice shapes your day, please come here. And you can learn a lot of skills here. You can learn a lot. How to pluck fruits, how to grow your vegetables, like every skill you can learn here. In the cities, I didn't even know my neighbors for 2 years. And the day I came here and I got jaundice, they got me khichdi. Like, so sweet. So here community is currency. Like, you can take sugar and you can give pakodes in return. And it's not Instagram perfect, it's just showing up. Like, it's low trust and lonely sometimes, but city lonely and mountain lonely is completely different. Here, loneliness has a space. So, building a life isn't easy here. It's not an escape, it's work. Slow, inconvenient, beautiful work. But rent is rent and Wi Fi will test you. But my soul, it has finally found an address. So if you're thinking about moving to the mountains, comment mountain and I'll send you the real cost breakdown of my rent and the available rent here, the available options here that you have, that you can stay in. And it's near Manali, so it's a beautiful place. So if you want to know, comment mountains and I will send you. And a bonus tip, guys, if you are planning to bring your pets with you, if you're planning to bring your pets with you, just don't forget that Amazon doesn't work here. And I get their food from Super Tales or like a website where you can get their food. It takes about 7 days for their food to come here. So I have it stocked. The cat litter is stocked and few things like you can get here, but it's a 30-minute walk. So, but the feeling of taking them for a walk here in the jungles and making them tired is, it's like, it has no words. It's it's beautiful. Making them tired after a walk, it's beautiful. If you want to know more, subscribe and wait for the season 2 of Moving to the Mountains with Maya. Take care, subscribe, like, and share, and comment mountains so that I can send you some details about my rent. Bye bye. See, bye bye.